If you're an instructional designer, you already have a script. You've researched it, written it, edited it, signed it off. You don't need an AI to write it for you. You just need somewhere beautiful to put it. Somewhere quick, somewhere consistent, somewhere that doesn't fight you on every page. That's exactly what blank canvas is for. You stay in the driver's seat, you build the course your way, and AI is there only when you want a hand. Let me show you how. Before you create anything, head to Manage. Default settings is where you set the rules for everything that comes next. Starting with language, pick the default for new courses, then logo, buttons, appearance, and header and footer. Whatever you set here applies automatically to every new course. It's worth spending a few minutes here before you build your first course. Then jump to color schemes. There's a curated set of system palettes ready to go, and you can build your own, guided by AI with accessibility checks built in, so anything you create is safe to use straight away. Back to the dashboard, click Add, New Course, then Create Course, and choose Blank Canvas. A short dialog opens. The language is already set from your defaults. Change it now if this course needs to be different. Give the course a name, add one or more categories, and click Create. Seconds. The course opens with a clean structure already in place, a welcome page, a topic summary page, and 2 starter topics, each containing an empty page. That's the hierarchy. A course holds topics, topics hold pages, and pages hold sections. Simple, predictable, the same every time. Open the first page within the first topic. Click Add Sections. The library slides open and you can see the full range. Text, quotes, charts, timelines, images, questions, flip cards, tabs, hotspots, and more. All designed to look the part out of the box. Over 35 section types with more to come, each one highly configurable. I will quickly add some and walk through a few. The quote section. Type directly into the fields or ask AI to find one. A second later it's there, attributed and formatted. Use these to break up dense text and give learners a moment to breathe. The chart section. Click the properties icon, change the position, the chart type, percentage, gauge, donut. Type your data straight in. A clear, on-brand visualization that picks up your color scheme automatically. No screenshots, no fuzzy images. The timeline, multiple variants to choose from. Add your milestones, give them dates, drop in icons or images. Perfect for histories, processes, onboarding journeys, anything with a sequence. Drop in a question to keep learners thinking. Multiple choice, true or false, fill in the blank. Pick what fits. Add the explanation so learners understand why an answer is right or wrong. That's formative feedback, the kind that actually helps people learn. And finally, flip cards, a good one to show how editing works across the platform. Every section has 2 icons. The pencil opens the property sheet, section text, background, and borders. The cog does the heavy lifting for the interaction itself. Open it on flip cards, and you can add cards, edit the front and back, reorder them, change the icons, and more. Front side, the prompt. Back side, the answer. Same pattern across every interactive section. Pencil for styling, cog for the interaction. Now images, the bit every designer dreads. 45 minutes hunting a library for one decent shot. Not here. Click any image slot, and the picker opens with thousands of curated, properly licensed images organized by topic. Search, filter, pick, done. Or generate one. Type what you want. AI creates it in seconds, locked to the visual style of your course. Don't like it? Regenerate. Every image gets saved to your shared library for next time. Open course settings to manage completion rules, certificate options, and more. Then click Design to change the color scheme or typography. Change it once and it cascades through every page. Want to test what learners have absorbed? Add a quiz. Set your pass mark. Decide how many attempts. Choose whether to shuffle and add as many questions as you need. Same look and feel as the rest of the course. Hit preview and step through the course exactly as a learner will see it. Every page, every interaction, every transition. Switch between desktop, tablet, and mobile. Spot something? Close, fix, preview again. Fast loop. That's blank canvas. Your script, your voice, your design choices. Consistency baked in, AI on tap when you want it. None of the production overhead. CourseAgent, guided by instructional design principles with you in control.